Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer designs from Canva to Adobe Express, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer designs from Canva to Adobe Express, start by opening your design in Canva. Look for the download option, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the download button. Select the file type you want to export. PNG or JPEG formats are generally recommended for images. For vector designs, consider downloading as an SVG if available. Once you've chosen your format, click the download button again. Wait for the design to export and save it to your computer. Now, open Adobe Express in your web browser. Log in to your Adobe account if prompted. In Adobe Express, click on the plus button to create a new project. Select Custom Size Graphic or any other suitable option from the drop-down. Next, click on the Uploads tab on the left side of the screen. You will see an option to upload photo or video. Click on it and navigate to the file you downloaded from Canva. Select the file and click Open to upload it to Adobe Express. Once uploaded, drag the design onto your project canvas. Resize or reposition the design as needed to fit your project dimensions. You can add text, images, or other elements to enhance your design in Adobe Express. After making your edits, click on the Download button in the upper right corner. Choose your preferred file format for saving your final design. Follow the prompts to download your finished project to your computer. And that's it. You have successfully transferred your design from Canva to Adobe Express. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.